tips and best practices for data breaches in cloud computing.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
A data breach occurs when unauthorized individuals gain access to sensitive data. The rise in the applications of cloud services has also led us towards the rise in the set of challenges, and here we have to deal with some vulnerability. Data breaches in cloud computing have become common nowadays. Not that they do not have any impact. It is about how you tackle these challenges to outsmart these breaches. It certainly does a lot of damage, like put the owner of the data in constant threat, make the company endure losses, lose customer-client trust, and many more to speak. But why are they generalized? Apart from that, how are these big companies and businesses keeping up with all those challenges and finding a way to fight them? In this article, we will be discussing in depth about the data breaches in cloud computing by understanding what constitutes a data breach, how it happens, and how to prevent breaches from happening. Let's start with basics. What is a data breach in cloud computing? Data breaches in cloud computing occurs through channels when attackers exploit vulnerabilities in the cloud infrastructure, gaining unauthorized access. This occurs due to poorly configured settings or outdated security measures. Other such vulnerable entry points can include misconfiguration. Incorrect settings can inadvertently expose data to the public or unauthorized users. Inadequate access controls. Weak authentication processes can leave doors open for attackers. Phishing attacks. These targeted scams often aim to compromise cloud service accounts. Insider threats. Employees or contractors can pose risks through negligence or intentional misconduct. The impact of data breaches in cloud computing. Data breaches can have severe consequences. High-profile breaches, such as the Capital One incident, where the data of over 100 million customers was exposed, gives us an example of the seriousness in the consequences of cloud data breaches. These breaches often lead to financial losses, reputation damage, regulatory consequences. The result of a data breach in cloud computing is not exclusively limited to just the demanding money incidents. Companies also face long-term reputational damage, loss of customer-client trust, and a sharp decline in market value. Rebuilding this trust can take years of hard work and huge amounts of investment in security measures and public relations efforts. How to prevent data breaches in cloud computing? Best practices. 1. Importance of data encryption. Encrypting both in transit and at rest is the key in securing sensitive information. In transit, encryption protects data as it moves between the user and the cloud, while at rest, encryption secures stored data. This makes the data unreadable, making it inaccessible without the proper decryption keys. This makes the breachers to create data breaches in cloud computing. 2. Implementing strong access controls with MFA. Risk of unauthorized access to cloud resources often occurs due to poor cloud access controls WAN infrastructures. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds an extra layer of security. This significantly reduces the likelihood of breaches, even if a user's credentials are compromised. 3. Conducting regular cloud security audits. Security audits and penetration testing are often under-considered. But doing it otherwise helps in identifying vulnerabilities in your cloud environment. Security audit is a comprehensive review documentation of security policies, controls, and configurations, while penetration testing captures real-world attacks to study vulnerabilities. 4. Segmentation of data to minimize exposure. Data segmentation is a process where sensitive information is isolated within the dedicated environments. This strategy limits exposure data breaches in cloud computing. Even if one part of the system is compromised, the attacker does not gain access to all sensitive data. Segmentation also helps organizations control data flow. 5. Strong configuration of cloud and monitoring services. Maintaining a secured cloud configuration is a must. Organizations should regularly review and adjust cloud service settings and align them with top security best practices. Additionally, continuous monitoring of configurations help identify unauthorized misconfigurations. Automated tools provide alerts and insights into configuration compliance. Minimizing risks after a data breach in cloud. Incident response plans. Having a well-defined incident response plan enables organizations to respond quickly and effectively to data breaches, minimizing potential damage. Data backup and recovery plans. Implementing robust data backup and recovery solutions ensures business continuity even in the event of a breach. Forensic investigation to identify the breach source. Conducting a thorough investigation post-breach helps organizations understand the cause and prevent future incidents. Communication strategies with stakeholders post-breach. Transparent communication with stakeholders and customers is crucial following a breach. Keeping them informed helps rebuild trust and manage reputational damage. Cloud security tools and solutions for breach prevention. Utilizing tools like CASBs and IAM solutions can provide enhanced visibility and control over cloud security, while encryption platforms protect sensitive data. AI and machine learning are increasingly being used to detect anomalies and potential threats in real time, allowing for faster response times to prevent data breaches in cloud computing. Real-time monitoring tools offer insights into system performance and security, enabling organizations to proactively manage risks. The role of cloud providers in data security. Shared responsibility model. Understanding the shared responsibility model is essential. While CSPs secure the underlying infrastructure, users are responsible for securing their applications and data. Engaging with your cloud provider about their security protocols and measures can help ensure that your data is adequately protected. Selecting providers that comply with industry standards like ISO 27001 and GDPR enhances data protection and ensures that best practices are being followed.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.